Welcome to Calmlish English, a quiet space where words are soft and learning feels like healing. Today, we'll learn one gentle English word, soothe. Let's take a deep breath together and begin. Soothe is a verb. It means to calm someone's pain, worry, or discomfort. When you soothe someone, you help them feel better, emotionally or physically. It's a word full of kindness. You can soothe a crying child. You can soothe a tired heart. Even music can soothe your soul. Let's say it slowly together. Soothe. One more time. Soothe. The ooh sound is long and soft. The th at the end is gentle, like a whisper. Let's hear some examples. She played soft music to soothe her anxiety. His words soothed my heart. Warm tea can soothe a sore throat. Soothe is a word for comfort, for care, for quiet healing. Why do we love the word soothe? Because it reminds us to be gentle with others and with ourselves. To soothe is to listen, to hold space, to offer peace without needing to fix everything. When you speak English, let your words soothe. Now, let's listen to the word in a short paragraph. She sat by the window, watching the rain. The sound was soft, steady, soothing. Her thoughts slowed down. Her breath became gentle. She didn't need answers, just quiet, just peace. Listen again if you like. Let the word settle in your heart. Thank you for listening with me today. This is Calmlish English, where language meets peace. Subscribe for more gentle English listening. And remember, you deserve comfort. You deserve calm. You deserve to be soothed.